Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Another Wealthsimple TFSA trade portfolio update. Always a mouthful to say. This is update number 120 on the channel, and there's been some changes to the portfolio, so you will see that as we go over it. But before we get into it, I just want to thank everybody that's been following along the channel, watching this journey. Really appreciate all the views, all the subscribers, and all of the coffee crew that joins up on the live streams. If you don't know, we do live streams Monday to Friday, 8 o'clock Pacific time to about 8:45. It's a good conversation, talk about TFSAs, investing, and we usually get a little bit sidetracked on the conversation, but it's a lot of fun. Good start to the day. So if you can make it, it'd be great to have you watch it live, join in. If not, replays, they're always on the channel. So without further ado, let's just get into the portfolio. All right, here we are in the TFSA. And as you can see, it looks like it's down substantially. It's not, we'll go over that. But the balance is up substantially. So we will get into that as well. Let's just go through and we will do the recap of how the portfolio is doing so far with the individual stocks. And then we'll show you how we're doing basically overall on the portfolio. So here we go. I do have a little bit to trade. A couple of dividends came in. I do share all of the dividends that are received over on my community tab for channel members. So you can channel members will be able to check that out. So here we go. We'll do total value of the portfolio right now. BAM, Brookfield Asset Management, and we are up 5.07%, $7 on 3.193 shares. That's nice. Nice to see some green in the portfolio as always. BEP.UN, 24 shares, down 3.2%, $33.16. This is one I want to add to the position slowly but surely. BN, haven't added it into this. This was part of that StreamYard challenge, which is still going on, but I've been purchasing BAM instead of BN, so just leaving BN kind of sitting there. BTC.Y, Bitcoin has been doing decent lately. 235 shares, have been adding to this slowly as well. Again, over on the community tab, you can see any kind of buys that I do, down 0.32%, $2.97. CMC, this one's a write-off, $9 down substantially. I'm debating whether just to sell this thing off and get rid of it, but again, it's more of a reminder to keep that on there. Diversified Royalty Corp, up to 200 shares now, down 1.97%, $12, and actually just had that one of those dividends was from Diversified Royalty Corp that came in. ETC, this is the Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF, 114 shares, down 43.31%. Haven't added anything to this position, mostly still focusing on BTC.Y to get a bit of the distributions from there, but down on that one, $602.81. Greenlane Renewables not doing well as either, down 60.86%. This one is a long-term hold, down $803.11. We'll be adding to this one slowly but surely, not in any rush for this. TransAlta Renewables, RNW, down 24.60%, 62 shares of that, $255.83. I just want to add to this position as well. Slate Office REIT, 143 shares. Slate Office REIT this past month has cut their dividend. That's the big drop in price, down substantially on this one, which is unfortunate. I didn't quite catch it in time. I had a hunch they were going to be cutting their dividend, and I just didn't catch it. I didn't have any kind of stop losses programmed into Wealthsimple, and unfortunately, that's what happened. Down $390.45. TELUS, 25.68 shares, up 2.78%. We'll keep adding to TELUS and keep reinvesting dividends as they come in, up $19.96, almost 20 bucks, which is nice. Tesla, these are the CDRs, 36 shares. I'm a little bit overexposed, I think, on the portfolio in general with Tesla, but I think it's a long term. I think that's one position I do want to still add to slowly but surely. Down 0.12%, 64 cents. So basically flat on there right now. VDY has been doing good. That's the Canadian High Dividend Yield ETF from Vanguard, 89.352 shares, up 3.76%, $139.24. VFV is up 2.82%, $108.91, 39.62 shares. That's with the Vanguard S&P 500. Had a decent week on the market for sure with the S&P. Now, new position, there we go, XEQT. I have 145 shares and we are up just a little bit, 0.97%. Bought these a couple of days ago. Again, that's always on the community tab, up $36.25. Reason for purchasing XEQT, wanted to get diversified a little bit more in the portfolio in terms of some more foreign equities, emerging market equities, which XEQT will cover. So won't be selling VDY or VFE. There is an overlap there in a lot of the North American equities with XEQT, VFV, VDY, but we'll keep those three positions going for now. YGOG, that's the yield Google shares, 20 shares up 13.14%. Happy about that. $54.31. Just going to be hanging on to this one, getting a bit of the distribution. So we'll see how that one goes. And yield Tesla, if you've been watching that go as well, is it was up quite substantially, but I did add more to this position. 50 shares now, down 1.91%. Still paying the same dividend yield, so happy about that, but down 17.94%. You must have saw that, just that pop-up just happened just now. That is my shake pay reminder. I will do my shake today. It reminds me at 9 o'clock to do my shake. And let's go see. So on the date, we're actually not down 39.14. It just takes a day or two for Wealthsimple to reconcile. I did that large deposit. As you can see, balance is up now to $19,428.46. If you checked out the last video, you'll see what the value was before. On the week, up 0.81%. This is thrown off again because of that prior one-day result, but we'll see how we go through here long-term here. So on the past month, just down 0.23%, 45.65. On the 3 months, up 0.55%, $106.77. Now we're going to see some red. Not quite as bad though, now that we've added those other positions and kind of balanced things out. Down 3.93% the past year, $795.11. And all-time down 6.52%, $1,354.78 on the TFSA portfolio. All right, well, now's the time. Let me know in the comments below. Did you buy anything this week? Did you sell anything this week? It's always interesting to hear what other people have done with their portfolio. Let's hope we know we had a decent week this past week. Let's hope this can continue. Again, I don't know, not any kind of financial advice to purchase any of the shares on in the companies that I have in my portfolio, but love sharing this, everybody. Love your comments. Thanks again, everybody, for watching. The next video will be a live stream, which is going to be on Monday. So if you will see that pop up in your stream, if you're subscribed, you can hit the notification and join us live if you're able to. Thanks so much, everybody. It's Saturday when I'm filming this. Sunny outside. I'm going to get outside. Hopefully you have all a good weekend, and come Monday, happy investing.